Welcome to GCCars. My name is Eric, and today we're going to take a night POV drive in this 2021 Ford Mustang GT Convertible. It's raining outside, so we're not going to put the top down. But first of all, let me just enable my screen again. Get the exhaust to actually be nice. Track mode, nobody's here. There we go. And let's take a quick look at the exterior while I show you the stats. Sounds pretty good. And yeah, first of all, the rear. Of course, classic Mustang tri-bar taillights. Looks really nice. And the front as well. And as always, we have a full review about this exact Mustang GT on the channel, where we talk about the interior, the exterior, and of course we're going to have a whole lot of fun. Don't mind my parking, which is terrible, but nobody's here, so who cares? We have a whole lot of fun, and I put that for you in the top right hand corner up there, so you can see that, and click there. What are we going to do in night POV drive? We're going to test the automatic high beams. We're going to do an acceleration run, but a very mild one, because yeah, it's rainy. We got a Mustang with 460 horsepower. I don't think we need to risk anything. If you want to see this car being driven quickly and to the limit, check out the full review. But I would say let's go and start driving. Actually, I want to quickly change my gauges to, oops, sorry, it's down here, cluster appearance normal, because that's the only one we didn't use in the POV drive yet. We also have a highway POV drive and a POV drive on a bit more of a twisty road. And let's drive her. No. Should put it into my mode, which gives us Sport Plus. We also don't need to worry about noise, because nobody lives anywhere close to where we are right now, so you can just have a bit of fun. Let's put on the heated steering wheel and the heated seats. Still sounds amazing, and is a lot of fun. Let's put on the high beams. Put on the high beams. Oh, that's the wrong button. Sorry. That's what happens when you have a different car every week. That you press the wrong buttons because they're in different spots. High beams. So there we go. They arguably, honestly, they're not that effective. They're not the most effective high beams I have ever used. There you go. The difference is kind of minor. Might be a little bit of the rain that's influencing, but I feel like they illuminate less in front of us and more just kind of up. So, is my door closed probably, by the way? Yes, because it's so loud right now, but I think it's just the conditions here we are in. Because you can see, like, I don't really see that much further with my high beams on. Anyhow, let's just leave them on for now until traffic comes our way. And we're almost at the spot where we want to do our acceleration run. Like I said, just a mild one. It's not going to be a hard launch. We're not going to shift it too dynamically, let's say it like that. Because even in the dry, on a shift when you're launching it, it'll spin the wheels going to second and third. And I really don't want to have this happen in the wet. It's an unnecessary risk. Sounds so good though. Sounds so good. Turn the high beams back on. And now we can get to a stop. Alright. I think we are ready to go. Let's go do a bit more flat ground. Okay. Put in first. shifted a lot faster there, and I was accelerating a little faster than I initially wanted to, but it was fine. But I just wanted to make sure that we don't upset the car too much. That's why I kind of just let it run out there in the first gear. But yeah, no. Other than that, just a relaxed POV drive here with heated seats on. It's a very comfortable cruiser, very, very comfortable cruiser, despite having so much power. Yeah. As always, also the POV drives, I not only want to give you a chance to see it out of the first person, but I want to give you a chance to hear how it is to drive this car. So I will just be quiet for a few seconds while you can take in the ambient noises. Just so tempting. It's just so tempting in this Mustang to kind of like always, I don't know, drive a little faster. Just listen to this exhaust and just enjoy it. We also got some ambient light here. As you can see, the door handles, those are cup holders. We can customize that to many, many, many different colors if we'd like to. But I've chose this purple. Well, actually the journalist before me chose this purple and I liked it, so I just kept it at that. Like I said, just a relaxed drive here in the Mustang, and I'm gonna stop it here in a second. Just don't want to stop right on the main road, even though nobody's here. I think honestly we can just stop. We already looked at the lights from the outside and taken a look at the car from the exterior. So I think we can just stop the video right. Funnily enough, just in that moment, my GoPro just turned off. So what I wanted to say is, I think we're gonna stop the video right